Now you can figure it out, and now everybody wants to know what the heck is going on behind the scenes. And I think this blockchain movement or the crypto movement is also combined with that idea that I want to see everything that's going behind the scenes, right? That's why you don't need to trust anything. You don't, because that trust has been broken. And I want to see exactly what the true nature of this financial world is happening behind the scenes. And then I think crypto or blockchain allows you to see through that and understand that, oh, okay, now I understand. So even though they call it trustless, you can trust it because it's so transparent. You know exactly what you're getting, right? And that's kind of, I think, what's really made this industry very popular. And I think that's the fundamental, like really deep down, what makes this industry so special to me.
And I think the beauty of crypto that is magnified by decentralized finance is that we have now so much optionality. And because of that, we are seeing a diversity in various business models, right, in Web3. Something that we've been talking about is, the trustless nature of crypto. Well, something that you can take advantage of is trustless asset management, right? If you don't prefer to deal with a centralized counterparty, you can learn to trust smart contracts, right? Handle your finances from investing to trading and lending in a decentralized way, all with a wallet like MetaMask connected to your browser, right? So of course a prerequisite is having Wi-Fi, internet connection. But once you're on, you're on. Really the internet is your oyster. And that's a beautiful thing, right? You're not asked for KYC, this and that, and you feel like you've divulged your entire life before you even made a trade or taken out a loan. The process now, looking at decentralized finance from the 2021 versus even, I would say, 2019, that process has been streamlined extremely well, actually.